Alright, we're gonna go for some pho. Pick up Eva first because I know she's hungry and she's chilling at the garage. Oh, yo, what up, Sonny? Yo, we've decided we're gonna go for pho instead, but we came to pick you up. Alright? Yeah! Yeah! Wait, you're the one that was asking for the turns?
No, he's asking for the turns. I don't know how much they're...
Dude, there's a car meet happening here. Always. What's good, what's good? Oh yeah, we can do that.
Can you set me up on
You guys got business. When are you starting your YouTube channel?
In the works.
All right, there you go.
Doesn't
it exist?
It exists. We have 100 followers already.
Okay, yeah, see you there. Go
subscribers.
subscribe to these guys.
Custom decals, all I see.
They're gonna start putting out content on their channel. I'm telling them, I'm pushing them. Okay? These guys are funny in front of a camera, man. Yeah, you just point the camera in front of them.
In return,
It's like act natural.
KMR has to level to the next level.
Yeah, for sure. Yo, okay, we push each other. That's it, man.
If I level, you don't level, I'm not making another video.
You being so shady. Crew. Right, this place better be good, Sean.
Camera's eating first.
Okay.
Seriously?
Okay.
Seriously?
Okay, come on, guys.
What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing anymore.
I'm not even
you
gonna join
guys.
this. I'm not joining
Oh,
this.
for reals.
I'm joining this. I don't care. I come here so much.
For friendship. Bring that bumper here, see what it looks like. But you ain't taking that canard setup, man. It's mine. Alright, ready? Oh, this side's kind of off. That's okay. Woo! Alright, figured it out. I mean, honestly, it's gonna be super easy. We just gotta cut the side marker pieces. It's a piece we don't even need. And I think all I have to do is follow this line, cut right there, cut right here, and we should be golden. Shorty like melody in my head. Hey, buddy.
Oh, but you had their whole black roll in there.
Okay, no safety needed.
Fuck it.
diamonds from this girl. It took me almost all day. It's been a long day, so probably just finish up. See you guys tomorrow. I was waiting on packages, and they're here. Guys, I got a new phone. Pixel 3. Apparently, this is like a camera with a phone, not the other way around. Beautiful day, sun's out, birds are chirping. Let's go back to the garage and finish up what we started yesterday. I have a full list of everything that has to be done to the FRS, so let's just get it. We're here. This is a rare sight to see all of my cars in one place, except one of them is not working. I think 2 of them, the insurance is expired. So MX-3, my dream high school car. And then this FRS kind of came out of nowhere. Who knew, man? It felt like the FRS chose me. After modding the FRS to the extent that it is, I've learned so much and gained a lot of experience and met a lot of people. You know that story. And then the E36, this is purely just something I can throw around, you know? I mean, as nice as it would be to see the FRS go sideways, I don't think I can afford breaking any more parts on that thing. So the E36, the budget build, is gonna be the winter beater as well as the drift build. I gotta prep it for winter. I wanna make sure, so it's not gonna be like super full drift build, but it is going to be driftable. I still wanna make sure it's functional and it can get around, you know? Let's continue on with the aimgain bumper. I do have to rewire all of the Rocket Bunny lights, but I know how to do that. It's just gonna take a little time. I think we're actually gonna wrap the aimgain bumper today too. Try to get it on and as complete as I can get it without having to do too much modifications to the rally backer front apron. This piece, for a fact, does not fit on the shape of the aimgain bumper, so we'll figure it out. All right, so if you guys don't already follow me on the social medias, I have a new little venture. I'm getting more into car accessories with my friend, and we started this thing called Poor Sports. And what I'm talking about are like JDM accessories like this. So for people who run deep dish steering wheels, this is a turn signal extender, and it just makes it easier for you to reach your turn signal. So for me, since I run the deep dish Vertex wheel, I actually have to reach my hand out. I exaggerate. It's not something you can hold the wheel with and also turn the signal at the same time. Little turbo keychains like this. You even got some JDM Hello Kitty soy sauce. This is a legitimate Kiko Man collaboration. Like, how cool is that? And of course, the sword handle shift knobs, which I've been rocking in my FRS for the longest time. We sell these online in various colors. I usually don't start projects until I'm organized and my workspace is clean. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is just clean up a little bit before we get started on the car stuff. But today, mainly finish the facelift for the FRS. Let's get it. Larry's here now, and these guys are gonna get started on wrapping Clarke's E30. There's no secret anymore. He's gonna be wrapping it black, but there's a difference, okay? It might not be super noticeable on the camera. If you look really, really close, there's a gold tinge. There's tons of gold flakes in this wrap. So it's almost yellow in some lights, but still black. Super sparkly though. I think it's a wrap that would actually look a lot better in natural sunlight. You guys are just gonna have to wait. Alright, we're gonna continue refining this. So I'm just gonna cut the rest of the diamonds I haven't cut out yet. Also fill in some of the places that I overcut. And just try to make this as nice as I possibly can. I've decided we are gonna vinyl wrap this carbon fiber. Alright. Gonna go over to Custom Decals while I see if they have any extra carbon fiber. Because I don't think this is gonna be enough. Okay. Milk! Who's that? Oh. No! Don't worry. No color reveal? Then I have to turn this video black and white.
No, it's all good. It's gonna get exploded.
You're right.
In like 2 months. 2 months.
I was wondering if you had any carbon fiber.
Oh, you came to the right person, bro.
Yes, please.
Actually, I have some extra ones. So.
Really? Is it like this, the 3D?
No, these are better. No, you don't want these. I'll give you the best ones, okay? It's just between us. This is a secret. I have the secret to weight reduction, bro.
Ooh, Carter, this is the real deal, man.
Bro.
You don't need this for anything?
No.
Hey, dude. I'll give it back. Thanks, man. Perfect. Just saw this. Before we start any heavy wrapping, I should really fill this in. I think Eric damaged it beforehand. Like, look at that. That ain't good. I'm gonna fill that up with Bondo. Welcome back to day 3 of fixing this bumper up. Okay, so I've actually taken the liberty of doing all of the inlays because this bumper has, well, just a lot of shape to it, okay? Shaping out all of the inner parts so that I can create a template, transfer that to the vinyl. It makes it easier for me to cut out the exact shape of what I need instead of cutting out a big rectangle and then hoping that it fits. Yesterday's Bondo work is completely dry, so once this is fully wrapped, you can go ahead and paint the front lip. Speaking of front lip, new front lip to install on the STI.
Fucking hate these clips, man.
Oh no, we have you guys have that clip thing? Clip remover?
Oh yeah? It's in my nothing bag.
Dude, this thing's a lifesaver. It gets rid of all your stress. And then it does it in like 1 second. Freaking clip remover, man.
It's on the other side.
Clarke, where'd you get this thing?
Yeah.
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Just search for like trim.
It's probably like $5.
Oh, trim remover?
Yeah, trim remover.
Get under one.
Where'd you get that shirt? That's like limited edition.
LostRoyalty.com.
What? Alright, okay, progress. Still working on the inlays. This bottom middle part, it was kind of hard shaping it out, but I tried to do it all in one piece. Should have this wrapped fully green in the next hour or so. I'm gonna show you a really quick and easy way to create templates for your vinyl using scrap pieces of paper. Alright, so now we have to figure out how to transfer these front bumper pieces. I'm not entirely sure these are gonna fit at all, but we're gonna try and make them. What I'm concerned about is this line. It's pretty aggressive, man. That looks so cool. Of course, we also have to transfer these lights by basically cutting them all off and then resoldering them back together. Alright, so the plan is we're just gonna press it down and self-tap the shit out of it. We'll just try to get it as close to the body lines as possible. It's close, but I have a feeling we're just gonna have to break it right here where this line is, and I'm okay with that. 2019 model, full send. Alright, ready? Right here, go up a bit. Yeah, that is it. That's it, okay? Do it from there, okay? Ooh, look at that. Oof. That's how it's done.
So much flex.
You know that. Kinda looks cool without it.
Damn! Yo, we made it, boys! That is, yo, that's gonna rip out on the ride up. Dude, it goes with this line though. Oh! We get the other one on. And yeah, for this, I don't know. I could put a screw in there. That looks crazy. Okay, next piece. Oh, I have to get more soft tappers.
Looks like a Bulbasaur now.
Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur? It's a Venusaur. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, sick. Dude, look at that flex. We made it. We made it, boys. So some people who are scared to mix match their wide body kits, or just kits in general, honestly, man, just make it fit. If it looks good and there's a will, there's a way. Guys, we're in San Jose, and the main reason why was because there was the Weekfest show that happened here. We literally drove our cars down here, and I know I need to get you guys still caught up on those. I have tons and tons of videos to edit, but most of those car events and automotive shows are probably going to be edited and uploaded onto the Lost Royalty YouTube channel. Not this one. Actually, yeah, this is really gross. It's like a dried up cobra. Apparently this was inside some alcohol bottle. So if you want, you can actually eat it, get really drunk probably. But on my left, you have this, which is one of the main announcements and the reason why I haven't ended this video yet. So I just wanted to let you guys know that the KMR Eliminate Savage King collaboration hoodies in white are now available online, but in really small numbers. Chances are actually we probably run out in a lot of the sizes already, but yo, Ems, you want attention, girl? Lady, chill. So yeah, you guys can pick this up online. There's also a whole bunch of new decals that you can check out that my team have come up with, and we've released. The site is live, so go check it out. If you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye. No, Roy, no! This is like voodoo shit.